Welcome to Jack Fleming Artistry. I didn't take a lot of video on this job, but I had to bring you along to show you this really cool truck that was recently restored. It has been with this business since the 50s. The man who owns it grew up in this shop. It was his dad's shop. Now it's his shop. He grew up as a kid in this truck and he restored it and shared with me only a few, or actually just one picture of what it looked like before it was restored, and that's what we went off to bring the lettering back to this. The picture I had to go by only showed the back of the cab, so I made up this design that I've got here on the doors, added this, and then after that we changed just a little bit of the design work from what was on the back of the cab, taking some of the information and putting it onto the tailgate. In order to spread it around, added just a little bit of pinstriping to the top of the hood. And that's all we really needed to do to this awesome truck. If you're in Fort Worth and you need an alignment, go check out Vernon's. Lots of history.